Traders, we're just going to run through our pre-market prep. I'm looking for opportunities for the day, and it's a really simple process. I have a 3-chart layout. Up the top, this is a 15-minute time frame. This is the 1H, and this one's the 4H. First thing I'm looking for is for these two indicators to meet a certain criteria. This one has to complement this one. So let's just go down to the 15-minute chart. We'll open that up, full chart. And what I want to see is, if this is bearish, I want to see the last two, in fact mainly the 4H and the daily. Not so much this last one, and I'll explain why. But it's these two in here. Now on some charts we may only see up to the 1D and we won't see the weekly. Just depends on the chart. On a 15-minute time frame, the lower the time frame, it may reduce this last bar, but that's fine. We're just going to be mainly looking for the daily and the 4-hour to be the same color as the single bar up the top. And if it doesn't stack up, it doesn't stack up. So we've got a green daily and a red 4H. Let it go. Aussie yen. Look at that. Green across the board. Okay, I'm going to mark this one up. Red alert. Actually, see here how we don't see the weekly down the bottom. We only see the daily and the 4H. Along with the 2 and the 1, but the weekly is missing. That's fine. It's just the lower time frame may or may not show the weekly, but we're really mainly interested in the daily and the 4H. These are green, and this one ticks the boxes. And what we're going to be looking for is an opportunity when, see how this is trading into a daily high, previous daily high, and we've got these red signals here. Okay, we could see this retrace, and we want to see our bars, our candles turn red here, and then we want to see them turn white, and then we want to see our shift in structure and a break of market structure. Okay, our green signals kicking in. So we're looking for the rotation on the higher time frame when this pulls back, and we want to get in right at the base of this pullback. And our indicators are going to give us the opportunity. So Aussie yen is red alert. In fact, you can set the alerts on these ones on the 15-minute time frame. Just come into the trend channel, click the 3 dots, add alert, 15-minute time frame. You want cloud break 1, once per bar, notification. I'll take that one out. I only want it in the app, and I'll turn my Tradingview app on. Notifications on my phone, and then I want cloud break number 2, once per bar, and then create. So I've already got them, so I won't do it again. So Aussie yen is on our list. Aussie Kiwi. I'm mainly interested in the daily and the 4-hour, as I mentioned, and we have these red. The weekly is green. Let me just have a quick look at the weekly, and I'll show you why. Because we're scalping, okay, and we really want the daily 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour. So I'm not so invested in the weeklies as such. I am to a degree, but let's just have a look at the weekly time frame, and I'll just explain. Let's just take out that. Yeah, I'll leave the trend channel on. Let's just take it to a weekly. All right, so this is showing on our multi-time frame indicator that the weekly is green. It's bullish. So what it's picking up is break into the cloud. I mean, this is a bullish trend, right? However, at the moment, this is currently under pressure, and we could see more downside momentum, possibly. So I'm okay to go counter trend on this if an opportunity presents itself. But yeah, you want to be a little bit careful, and here's a reason why. Have a look and see what our indicators are giving us. See this white line here? That is a monthly high or low institutional level. Look at it right there. Let's just go down now to our 15-minute. All right, I'll take out the drawing I just placed in there. What we can see here on the 15M is a combination of this yellow line and a white line. The yellow line is the daily. The white line is the weekly. The monthly. Okay, the white line is the monthly, and you can see there's 2 lines running through here. Furthermore, we have an orange line and a yellow line. So we've got an orange line is a weekly and a daily down in here. Right, previous daily low, you can see it's marked up. Okay, so these are institutional levels. This is trading into a big support zone. So, you know, we could mark up this range. We want to see the break and retest of that range, and then that's an opportunity. So we've got this breakout But you want to be a little bit careful, all right? Again, look at the levels, guys. You know, the opportunity comes when you see the break below. I mean, this would have been an opportunity back in here to go short, for sure. Definitely. See, this is our strategy. High to low, Fibonacci pullback, and we enter. And this would be in the money by now. So let's just wait and see now if that trades below this level and we get the opportunity. All right, so I'll definitely keep this one as a, I'm just going to call it an orange. Red alert is priority, orange is a maybe. So we just need to keep in mind that this range through this high down to the low here, these higher time frame levels, it's a big support zone. So we can just mark that up like so. And even mark this up. We want to see the break, retest, and fail. And that could be an opportunity. Okay, so we'll mark it up as orange. And we'll see how we go. Let's have a look at the Aussie dollar. Look at that, guys. Green across the board. Okay, we're in a strong risk-on environment here. Red alert. Okay, so understand what we're looking for. Bitcoin. The only thing with Bitcoin, see how the daily and the 4-hour are conflicting at the moment? I'm inclined to let that one go. Okay, CAD Yen. The daily and the 4-hour are conflicting, so let's leave it alone. Euro Aussie. Again, the daily and the 4H are conflicting. See here? Green and red, let it go. Green and red down here, let it go. What about the Euro Pound? Green and red, I'll let it go. So, you know, you want to pick the best of the best. Okay, daily and the weekly. The daily and 4, Euro Yen. If the 4H turns green, that could be a thing. Let's just have a look at the 4-hour. And the reason why the 4-hour is showing bearish is due to this. But I can tell you now, we've actually got a break out of the cloud here. I think I'd want to see the break of this high. Have a look here. See this? See what we're trading into? All right, so you want to be a little bit careful, the Euro Yen at the moment. But this is where the opportunity could arise. If we break above this, the 4-hour will shift green down here. That's what will happen. Okay, once we break above this big level here. So we want to see the break above and then the pullback. And then what will happen then is all these guys will shift green and the 1H will turn red on the pullback. So everything turns green on this move, and then the 1H turns red on this move, and then that's your opportunity. All right, I don't mind that, Euro Yen. Hope that makes sense. So I'm going to mark that up, red alert. Okay, so that's all we need to do, guys. Just look for the opportunity. We know that we want to see the 4-hour turn green. We know this is trading into, look at this level here. That's big resistance. You don't want to trade into this resistance, but you want to trade away from it. All right, so that is going to be our opportunity. So I've marked it up, and you know, when we come back into the chart, we can see this. So what we might see here then is perhaps into the London Open tonight, the opportunity. All right, so that's the process, guys. We just go through 15-minute chart. Does it stack up? Look at this. Yeah, look at that. See? The daily and the 4-hour are giving us the go-ahead. It's trading into a daily low. You might want to wait for, yeah, look, we're trading into big support zone, guys. So just be very, very careful here. See the daily low, previous monthly low? And we've got a yellow line, orange line here as well. All right, so there's a yellow line here. We've got an orange line here, which is a weekly, and then we've got this previous monthly low right there. So, you know, don't trade into that. If it bounces off here and retraces, that could be the opportunity then. We'll just mark that up as a support zone, and I hope you understand what we're looking for. Okay, guys, go through and mark up some of these, and then when the signals fire, you've got these marked up, so you know you're looking for Aussie Yen, Aussie Dollar, Euro Yen, and you know whatever else you mark up over here in the alerts log. Now I'm testing some alerts here, so you're going to see some odd things going on, but it's the cloud break. Here it is, cloud break 1, and cloud break 2. That's the alert we're looking for. Then you can just work your way down the alerts, click on it, come into the chart and look for the opportunity. Alrighty, so I'll wrap it up and invite you to join our free Telegram channel. Link is below. But take it one step further, guys, and join VIP. Head over to the website, tradingwithanthony.com. And as I mentioned in previous video, you shout me sushi train or a hamburger and chips once a month. And I'm happy with that. I just want to get this out and share it with other like-minded traders. We're building a community. We've got a chat group in VIP that you can join. I should add that to this page. And yeah, share the journey. So with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.